Stuck trying to find the Lightning app builder in Salesforce? I know that feeling. You're clicking around setup, the menus don't make sense, and you just want to open a page to edit it. In 5 clicks, I'll show you exactly how to open any Lightning page. No more guessing. So here's the plan. First, we'll access setup from the gear icon. Then we'll search for the app builder. And finally, we'll pick your page and open it for editing. All right, let's start with that gear icon. You see it in the top right corner of any Salesforce screen. That's your gateway to everything. Go ahead and click it. A drop-down menu appears, and that's where the magic begins. Now, from that drop-down, you'll see an option that says Setup. Actually, it might say Open Advanced Setup, depending on your version. Either way, click that. This sends you into the main setup area, where all the administrative tools live. And here's where a lot of people get tripped up. Once you're in setup, don't start hunting through menus. Do this instead. Look for the Quick Find box at the top of the left sidebar. Just start typing the word Light. As soon as you type those 4 letters, the menu will start filtering results automatically. It's one of those features that feels like magic once you know it. Now, from those filtered results, click on Lightning App Builder. This is your hub for customizing pages. You'll see a list of all your org's Lightning pages right here. Record pages, home pages, app pages, everything. Scroll through that list and find the page you want to work with. Once you've got it, click the Edit button next to it. This opens the App Builder interface, where you can drag and drop components, rearrange the layout, and really make the page your own. When you're happy with your changes, click the Save button in the top right. And that's it. You're done. See how simple that was? From being lost in setup menus to confidently opening any Lightning page in seconds. I promise, once you do this a couple times, it becomes second nature. Try it out on one of your own pages right now. You've got this.